Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to create kids' learning animations. Let's dive in. Step 1. Script creation. We start by using ChatGPT to generate a script. Here's the prompt. Please write a kids' learning video script set in the forest. The host is a monkey named Milo, who introduces his friends, Leo the lion, Bella the butterfly, and Ollie the owl. The animals briefly introduce themselves to preschoolers. The tone should be engaging and simple. ChatGPT quickly provides a detailed script. Now, we move on to the next step. Step 2. Voiceover creation. For voiceovers, we use 11 Labs, a user-friendly AI text-to-speech tool with a free quota of 10,000 characters per month. Select 4 different voices for our characters. Generate and download the voiceovers, labeling them for easy organization. Step 3. Background image creation. We need a forest background. Use Leonardo AI with the prompt. Create a vibrant green forest background for a kid's animation, featuring colorful plants and trees, and a whimsical atmosphere. The scene should be bright and engaging, suitable for preschoolers, with a cartoonish and friendly style. Once generated, we can also use Leonardo AI's motion video feature to convert this image into a video background. Now, download your favorite image and the video generated from it. Step 4. Animation creation. Go to Canva and select 1920 by 1080 video format. Upload and set the forest background video. Add text for the opening scene. Title: Milo the Monkey. Choose a cute font, adjust size, and add text effects. Animate the text and add happy children's music for a lively feel. Step 5. Character animation. Upload the forest background image and add our first character, Milo the Monkey. Search it in the graphics feature in Elements. Select the background image and click on your favorite graphic. Now set an entrance animation. For this, tap on Animate. Now move the graphic back and then tap on Create an animation. Now we will animate it forward. And then import his voiceover.
Hello, little friends. Welcome to our amazing forest. I'm Milo. Our amazing forest. I'm Milo the Monkey, and I've got some awesome friends to introduce you to today.
Follow this process for each character, syncing their animations with their respective voiceovers. 1. Leo the lion. Add Leo walking in. Search lion in the graphics feature in Elements. The lion should appear after the monkey. So tap on 3 dots and then tap on Show Timings. So move its timeline. Now move it back and then animate, and then tap on Create an animation. Now we will animate it forward. Move the cursor, then select Monkey, and it should be throughout the video. Place the cursor in the right place. Import the voiceover for Leo and then tap on the audio file. Voiceover.
Hi everyone. I'm Leo the lion, and I love exploring the jungle.
2. Bella the butterfly. Add Bella flying in. Place the cursor in the right place. Search butterfly in the graphics feature in Elements. The butterfly should appear after the lion, so move its timeline. Now select it, move it back, and then animate. Voiceover. Similarly do for Ollie the owl. Sample video.
Hello, little friends. Welcome to our amazing forest. I'm Milo the Monkey, and I've got some awesome friends to introduce you to today.
Hi everyone. I'm Leo the lion, and I love exploring the jungle.
Hello, little friends. I'm Bella the butterfly, and I flutter around the flowers.
That's it. You've learned how to create engaging kids' learning animations easily. Give it a try and watch your channel grow.